Leave it like that.
You see how they shade you? You see how they try to say things behind your back?
Honey, that was in front of your face.
Welcome back to this channel. It's THEHAWKINSEXPERIENCE. So this is an installment for the Hawkins experience, our travel vlog series. So sorry, that was so lazy of me. But yeah, so we kind of got some feedback from our previous vlog asking us to highlight more of the things we do as far as logistics and looking into like places to stay and where do we keep our bags when we do such short trips, like when it's like, okay, we're not really staying a full night, or we're not really, there's no reason for us to get a real hotel per se, like to where you can't check in until 3 o'clock in most cases, and then checkouts at 11, so it's like no real point in doing that. So Amelia does most of this logistics stuff. In some of her research, I don't know why she doesn't want to talk. In some of her research, she found, so for this Bangkok?
Yeah, we were in Bangkok.
So for Bangkok,
so when we got to Bangkok, we had 2 options. Either to stay at a lounge for 5 hours, because we had 5 hours before we went out into the city, because we got there at midnight. So we can either go to the lounge, sleep and eat, but the lounge only lets you in there for 3 hours. It was, I think, $60 per person to head into one of the Miracle Lounges.
60 American.
Yes, American.
Right, so in order to do their lounge, they wanted $60?
Yeah, just to do their lounge, because you get to eat and take a shower and somewhat arrange the couch to sleep, but they don't really let you try to do that.
Oh, so like the option we did, we're on our way back.
In the other Bangkok airport. So there's 2 airports in Bangkok. Yeah, that was the other one.
So maybe have to, I'll put in the thing what the name of the Bangkok airport we did this one in. But the other option was like, when we got there, they were like, oh yeah, but you can't do this, you can't turn off the light, you can't move the couch, you can't. It was too many rules, and that for me would have, it did blow me, because on the way back I was like, no, we're not gonna waste my damn money and sit right there. I can do all the things they want me to pay them money to do outside of this thing, and plus have Wi-Fi. Like, they didn't even have Wi-Fi, so no. But so we arrived, like she said, and we went down. It was like fourth floor.
Yeah.
Fourth floor of the airport.
And I booked it like right before we landed, right?
Yeah.
Like I was in mid-air. I didn't even like book it before, and it's cheaper if you book it online. Even if you get there and you're like, okay, yeah, I'll into the sleep box. Book it online because it's cheaper online.
Way cheaper.
Yeah.
The facilities was pretty nice.
Really nice in there.
I ain't gonna hold y'all. I think it was better than the Airbnbs we had stayed in before. And so we caught a flight from Hong Kong at like 10, and then which they have a really nice airport, by the way.
Hong Kong, definitely.
Oh my, really nice airport. From Hong Kong to Bangkok, and then we got in there around like midnight, I want to say. I think there's a time change too, if I'm not mistaken, but we got in there around that time. We get downstairs, and like she said, it was cheaper to do it online than it was in person. In person, they wanted maybe what, $100, $200 more in baht.
It was like 100 baht more.
Baht more to do it like that. So we were just like,
oh my.
No. And then so what they do, they you pay a certain amount, and it includes like a deposit of maybe like $300, like additional
$300 key deposit
for the key. And which they give you that bag, which you see, I want to flash my money to make sure they give it to me back. And so yeah, from there you walk in, like you walk to your little quarters, and it's not like a big room
It's literally a box.
It's a box. Like,
with a bed.
It's a box with a bed and a TV. It had a TV.
It did. We didn't know how to.
We did. We just went to sleep.
No, we took it off from the chargers.
I'm saying the TV worked. The TV does work. It was just
we needed that
late at night, and I needed that outlet to charge my stuff. Y'all see, I have a lot of stuff to charge when I go travel. So that the shower had a curtain. Y'all know we always have issues with showers not having curtains in the places that we go to. Or like they have like a door, but the door missing is like the part. You know, be like, we have the worst luck with showers.
Yes, we do. Either the water doesn't get hot.
Well, that's not mine. That's not my thing.
I always take a shower first, and I never had cold water. I mean, never hot water.
By the time I get in there, the water be hot. Everyone's like, okay, cool.
No, I always take a cold shower.
See, ladies first. But
and they give you toiletries too.
They did. They had a lot of stuff in there.
Cute stuff in
there. Yeah. It was honestly legit. It was like a little, like just a small hotel. Like, and there was somebody there to clean and stuff like that. If you needed that service, like
they were right there.
They were right there. They gave you complimentary. Thank you. They gave you that. I can say that word. Just like right now, it's escaping me. So don't be petty. They gave you complimentary snacks. I don't want to say full breakfast, but they gave you like maybe what?
They gave me a 200 baht voucher.
Right. To go, and 200 baht goes a long way.
Yes, it does. But I was like, oh, I just want a croissant. And she's like, you have 190 baht left. Okay, what else can I get?
So I think we ended up getting like 2 waters, 2 sodas, 3 croissants.
Didn't you get a sandwich?
And a sandwich.
We didn't eat it.
It was like, oh, okay, well, we'll put this in the bag for later, blah, 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 blah. Didn't even eat the sandwich because forgot about it, that it was in the bottom of my bag and whatnot. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. So that's how we do that. Like if we're gonna need something for like a few hours, not necessarily the whole time.
Right. And also they have options for you just to take a shower. I think you give you like 200 baht, 300 baht.
And just shower.
If you want to sleep for 2 hours, they have a 2-hour bed too.
They have options. No, it's like a minimum of 3 hours. They were saying, yeah. I think it's like, but they have different packages. But I think to use like the full box thing, it's a 3-hour minimum. And once you do from 10 o'clock, I think it is, until 6 a.m. is considered midnight. It's like or considered overnight stay. So they just charge you the one set overnight price. So I mean, I feel like we still did really, really good.
From midnight to 6
a.m.
Oh, and they give you a wake up call at 6 what?
The 5:40. Hey.
Your room was about to
just want to let you know it's going to expire. So they were real cool about that, which was nice. It was about 2,000 baht, which roughly translates to $60 for the both of us versus $60 per person to go into that lounge. So it was like we could have got 2 sleep boxes, and if we was like beefing at the moment, like go to your own sleep box, don't bother me, move, sort of thing. But yeah, so that's always cool. And then another thing we do, which for like our shorter trips, like when it's like 24 hours or less in a specific country or visit, and it's not necessarily a real layover to where the airport has our bags, we do baggage drop off, like this
so
luggage keep, what is it called? It's called different things in different airports, but it's essentially
luggage storage or luggage lockers. Like they have a different
it's essentially a place for you to keep your stuff while you go out and explore, and they charge you a little fee to do
per
it.
Per bag,
which is still not bad though. Like we didn't pay that much money for that. So.
And the way I find them, either I Google it or I go to this website, which is very helpful if you are trying to sleep in that airport.
This website doesn't sponsor us, by the way. So YouTube, stop giving me all those alerts saying.
So it's sleepinginairports.net, and it tells you where to sleep if you don't want to go ahead and go to the airport hotel type of thing.
Or find an Airbnb for like 2 hours, which I don't think anyone rents Airbnbs for 2 hours.
Yeah, and it tells you where the outlets are, where's the best Wi-Fi, the best lounges in that airport, and they have like every country in here. They and it tells the exact location. Go down to level 2, turn right here, and it's gonna be here. And at what time they close and how much money it is.
That's not always accurate.
But the prices do change. They don't
the price
update.
change,
Yeah.
so you know that just kind of ballpark it. Always like my thing is always say something costs maybe 2 times more than what you think you're gonna pay. So if you budget it for twice, you safe. You ain't like taking it back completely. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So throughout this video, you would have seen the stuff flashing by. In other vlogs, you'll see us like walking towards it or picking stuff up from it. But that's kind of how we do those short stays. That's kind of like the logistics and the why or how we get away with not lugging our bags around, because as you can see, we pack a lot for these trips. So yeah. What's your line? How you gonna take this out?
Until the next adventure.
Oh my
We're
god.
gonna leave it like that.
Until next time, y'all be easy. If you have any questions, comments, drop them below. Be sure to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Talk to us. Let us know if you do have any questions or any other things like that. And Amelia will answer them from our other account.
Yeah. How is you?
Bye. Go watch some more videos. Go down the YouTube rabbit hole.
Yes.
I think that's it.
Yes.
Pretty sure that's it. I need a haircut.